Okay, so for this problem, we're given this diagram where we see something being launched with this velocity 0 in this direction, so it follows this trajectory. And we're asked to find the work done by the weight between A and B. So what is the work done by the weight from A to B? So the work from A to B is equal to the force in the direction of the displacement by the displacement. So the work is mg ya minus yb, and this is actually negative mg ya minus yb, because here we see that b is greater than a. So yb is greater than ya. So when you solve this, let's say we have, let's say we don't know it's negative yet. So let's say we have 3 minus 5. We'll have that mg times a negative number, because this is a negative number. So we'll have that mg, this number in total. Let's say the mass is 10. By the gravity, we'll have negative 100.